Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the world's dirtiest workshop and Subaru. We're going to talk about the Atoto new data line back to the rear backup camera. Now, this is something that's not documented. If you have the car in park here, you should be able to view your backup camera. And that means that the ACC power line is powering the backup camera from the front of the car. You can see there that I threw the switch and was able to shut off the camera. See, it's back on again. And that's just the ACC line powering the backup camera from the front of the car. Now, if you put the car in reverse, the pink wire from the rear tail light should be powering the camera. And you can see there, it's a different screen. It has guidelines. So in park, the guidelines are gone. So you have two different modes. You have forward mode, either in park or drive, where you're watching the rear backup camera, or you have backup mode. And they are powered two different ways. One from the front of the car and one from the back of the car. But that means you need an extra switch under the dashboard to cut off the power.